My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite Sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it will be right next to me right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, so I know I haven't done a sneaker review in quite some time. That's because one, nothing really has been dropping. I think the last sneaker review I did was, I don't even know. I'll try to go back. Maybe was the SB4s, the Pine Green 4s, or was it the Reimagined 3s? Or it could have been just some random shoe that I got. I can't remember. But I haven't really been doing nothing. Never really been dropping. And this ain't that much heat at all either, but I wanted to put something because, like I said, I haven't been dropping nothing on my channel, so I definitely want to drop something for all my subscribers. Anyway, let's get straight to it. See right here what we got right here. Plain red box, nothing special about it. Nike on the front. It reads, Women Nike Dunk Low LX. The color is pink foam per platinum, size 10, which is the equivalent of a men's 8.5. Suggested retail price I think was $120. I'll tell you at the end of the video, but like I said, size 10, 8.5 men. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right, let's get straight to it. Okay. And without further ado, pull out this one right here. Yeah, without further ado, we got the Women Nike Dunk Low pink foam. Boom. Alright, so like I said, the pink foam, these came out on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. I think they dropped on Saturday. April the whatever April was, what? I think it was April. I don't know. I'll give you out a date at the end of this video. But I got some information off of sneakernews.com, and before I get started on the information, y'all gonna have to apologize for my energy. I just came from my basketball game. Not only do basketball games take a lot out of you, but when you lose, that dulls the energy zap. So I am like on E right now. I want to eat, so I'm hungry, I'm irritated. So, and I can't. Well, as soon as I got home, I saw this box, or a brown box, mailbox in front of my door. So I was like, let me just do this sneaker review real quick. So y'all might not even see. I might not even post it tonight. It's like 9 o'clock. It's 9:13. So y'all might not see it tonight. I might post it tomorrow, but it be up when it be up. All right, so shout out to sneakernews.com. It reads, the cooler fall climate has seen the swoosh dress in widely heralded Nike Dunk Low and a flurry of compositions fit with suede, flux, fur, and fleece. First seen via leaked images in late September, the retool offering attracts a clad suede constructed across its overlays and base panels with a luxurious aesthetics. Is applied in Salem fashion through embroidered leather tongue and heel tabs along the matching texture of the midsole swooshers. Kotd is de-dressed base layers in a faded cream. The forefoot, quarter, and heel overlays rendering a contrasted muted rose pink shade that establishes a light color match along its sock liner and tongue trim. Furthering the neutral tone pastel treatment, extremely light powder bleed into the fold by the way of placed cracked leather tabs in tandem with the connecting swoosh. That was just a lot. It just was a lot of information right now. We just gonna go. All right. We see this new puff, or is it suede? Like I said, this is A suede, yeah. So we got the suede upper right here. I like the suede fur pink, bubblegum pink upper right here. I love the laces. More like that Travis Scott types vibe right there, that black and white laces. It does come with an extra set of pink laces, which the bubblegum pink laces, I do like that. It does come with these extra laces right there. They say they got that embroidered Nike patch on the tongue. Got that pink sock line right there. The Nike swoosh right here is like a grayish color right there, gray right there. That midsole is that cream color. The outer sole is that bubblegum pink right here. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. Y'all know me, I love pink. Nike right there on the inside in pink. Boom, got that. Like I said, Nike on the outside and pink right there. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. I like the shoe. I was surprised I was able to get it. I was able to get it. Jessica was not. We both went at the same. Well, Jessica's a rookie at the sneaker app. So I got on the sneaker app at 6:58. It dropped at 7 o'clock. She was actually awoke at 6:58. She went to go walk her dog, and she came back at 7:04 and thought it was gonna be on there. She's a rookie. She's a noob when it comes to this sneaker life or like that. You got to be up there early. The early bird. When you're early, you're actually late. So I was able to get my pair. I like this shoe. It's a dope shoe. Y'all know me. I love pink. Nike Air on the back right there. Nike right there on the back. But I like it. I like the shoe. So 1 to 10 classic. What you doing?
4.5.
Wow. Okay.
I don't like the color pink.
I know you don't like the color pink because you think you're a man's man.
No,
you need to relax.
No.
You need to relax.
No.
This is not a 4.5. It's not a 4.5.
It's only pink and white, and the black doesn't even match anything. It doesn't.
It's not a 4.5.
It is.
Jessica, 4. Well, I mean, that's what I said. Jessica, 4.5. Jessica, 1 out of 10. What you giving this?
I give it an 8.5.
That's the score. I'm giving it a 9.
Yeah.
I like it.
Where's there's not even a single black on the shoe?
First of all,
What about the craftsmanship? What about the different texture? Like the different.
it was all suede.
I'm not classic.
Classic don't care about
Take the
no.
color out.
So, let me ask you a question.
Mhm.
If this shoe was blue,
Yeah.
what would you give it?
Nice.
See, look at that. Look at that. You biased. You just biased. You biased. So you're just yeah. You about to get canceled. So, but she said 8.5. I'm gonna give it a 9. I like the I like the black and white laces right there, because even though the pink laces right here is good, it goes perfect with it. The black and white laces makes it stand out. I wouldn't put the pink in there because they would just be like a just regular pink shoe. I think the black and white laces gives you more options for fits. With the pink laces, you're not gonna throw a black tee on or a black shirt because there's nothing black. But with the black, you can throw a black tee on or like a black button up. This is a dope shoe. I just think this is a very, very dope shoe.
The only reason why I wouldn't give it a 10, because I almost got a 10, is because of the cleaning. Like, I think that fabric is a little bit.
Oh yeah, the suede.
And I would wear those.
Suede shoes are kind of hard to clean, and because once they get that scuff, it's a wrap.
Yeah.
It's a wrap. So I can give it. I can give it that, but I'm still gonna give it a 9. Classic gave it a 4.5. Jessica gave it 8.5. I'm gonna give it a 9. So y'all let me know in the comments below whether this is a cop or drop. Was y'all able to get this shoe? Did y'all pass on it? Did y'all get on it? Pause. Y'all let me know. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks. And the whole Tune squad, you know what to do. Oh. Yeah, get like that. You know what? I'm gonna put it like that. I like that. Oh. Okay. Have a nice day.